If you want to record phone calls on Redmi A7 Pro, first you can check if you have a built-in option that allows you to record phone calls. So the best way to check that is by going on a call, and then you can try to find the call recording option in there. For example, by going to More. Unfortunately, in my case, I don't have it, and if you don't have it as well, then it means that we need to use a third-party app that allows us to record phone calls. If you have it, then of course you can just use it straight away. So if you don't have it, we're gonna go to the Play Store, and we need to find an app that allows us to record phone calls. So for that reason, we're gonna search for Call Recorder. There we go. Now in here you should be able to find many different apps that at least in theory should allow you to record calls. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. So I'm gonna install it, I'm gonna show you how to set it up, but if you don't like it or if it doesn't work for you, I encourage you to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. I'm not really forcing you to use that one, I'm just gonna show you as an example. So we're gonna open the app once we have it installed. We're gonna tap on next over here. We need to grant permissions. So let's do this. So let's grant all the necessary permissions. There we go. We need to add the app to the auto start. So we're gonna choose add cubes to auto start over here. We will be redirected to background auto start settings, and we need to find Cube ACR and we need to turn it on. There we go. We're gonna go back afterwards. Now over here we can disable power optimization. So we're gonna tap on OK, then set to no restrictions, and then we can go back. We don't have to agree to use geotagging, so we're gonna tap on no thanks, and then OK, got it. Over here we have this premium offer, which we can close by using X in the upper left corner, and we're gonna tap twice. Then we have the option to install a helper, which is additional app that helps the main app run properly. I'm gonna tap install helper, and this is going to redirect me to the app's website, where we can get the app, the helper. And in this case, I'm gonna use download helper APK. This is the installation file that we can download using our browser. I'm gonna download anyway. And once it is downloaded, we want to open it. And most likely, your phone is going to tell you that you're trying to install an app from unknown source. So you will have to go to settings, which you will have buttons to use. And then you will have to allow the browser to install apps from unknown sources. After that, you want to install the app. Let's wait a couple of seconds, and then we need to open it because we need to set it up as well. So over here we're gonna tap on next, then grant permissions. There we go. Now in here we need to tap on go to accessibility. Next, choose downloaded apps, and you want to tap on Cube ACR app connector. Even if you don't have this option available, even if it's grayed out, you still want to tap on it. For some reason, the Xiaomi scanner tested the app, but it's fine. So you want to tap on Cube ACR app connector in order to see this message, and then you want to close it. And we're gonna go back to the app. Now we're gonna choose go to apps. Let's wait a couple of seconds. In here, go to the Cube ACR helper. Tap on more at the bottom and choose allow restricted settings. And if needed, verify yourself with the fingerprint or screen lock password. And we're gonna go back to the app. Now return to accessibility. Go back go there again. Go to downloaded apps, choose Cube ACR app connector. And then we want to enable use Cube ACR app connector. Select that you are aware of possible risks. And then after 10 seconds, you want to tap on the OK button. There we go. Now we need to add the helper to the auto start, so choose add cube to auto start again. Then in here find the Cube ACR helper, and we're gonna add it to the auto start. Then we need to disable power optimization, so once again set to no restrictions. And that is pretty much all. Now we can open the Cube ACR, this is the main app now. And now the app is pretty much ready to be used. However, I can also recommend you checking out these three lines in the upper left corner where we can check if recording is enabled. Also, we have recording settings and some other stuff as well, which you might want to check out just to make sure that the app is set up exactly how you want it to be. Now, this app automatically starts recording calls, at least by default. So whenever you start a call, the app is going to start recording the call. So let me just quickly demonstrate. I'm gonna call myself and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. And you will see a notification of these two apps, so the Cube ACR and the Helper, that they are active and recording automatically. There we go. And one thing that I can also suggest you to do is try to use the speaker. You might want to use loudspeaker while trying to record a phone call, simply because this will definitely help the app pick up the caller. I mean, without it, it might be difficult to hear the caller on the recording. And unfortunately, usually third-party apps don't have access to the earpiece that we have at the top of the phone, which we use when we just when we take calls. Of course, when we have a call, we put our phone next to our ears. Of course, the top side over here, right next to the top frame, we have the earpiece. Usually apps don't have access to that, so they cannot really directly record anything, record audio from the earpiece. Therefore, we want to use the speaker, the loudspeaker, just to make sure that the caller can be heard on the recording. This is a little bit unfortunate, but at the same time, this is a little workaround that, of course, most of the time works. And once you are done with the recording, you should be able to find it inside the Cube ACR app. Of course, you can listen to the recording. We also have these three dots that allow you to find some additional options. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.